is that they lived for a span of 2 months in the matrimonial house. There are no children, anything. Husband is B.Tech graduate. Wife is a M.Tech graduate. She was working before the marriage in laws because there is no consummation of marriage, my lord. She's highly educated than him, my lord. This petition, my lord, challenging the maintenance granted on 24 section 24 application. Maintenance granted, my lords, is 15,000 rupees, my lords. Lords, I'm challenging this order on 3 grounds, lords. One is that they lived for a span of 2 months in the matrimonial house. There are no children, anything. Husband is B.Tech graduate. Wife is a M.Tech graduate. She was working before the marriage in an MNC. And then, my lords, after marriage, she quit the job. In 2021, my lords, they separated. And
No, let the other side come. Now, what is your salary?
my lords, my salary is 58,000 rupees per month.
Yeah, same 7,500.
My lords, may I submit this?
Yes.
There is a order of maintenance granted in DV proceedings also.
How much you're paying?
5,000 rupees every month. And
5,000
I have paid arrears also.
Pay another 5,000 here.
Yes, please.
Which is the date of application?
17/9/2021 minutes.
17/9/21.
2021.
Almost 35 months.
Yes, please. Could I request it to be from the date of the order, my lords, because there is no consummation of marriage, my lord. She's highly educated than him, my lords. She was
Deposit
working.
before the court. When she is not entitled, then we'll see.
Yes, please. Kindly that direction will come.
Then the present petition is filed agreed with the order of the trial court granting 15,000 as maintenance. It is submitted that the wife is M.Tech graduate and the husband is B.Tech graduate. His income is only 58,000. It is submitted that the wife is more qualified and the husband is paying in amount of rupees
5,000 every month.
5,000 in the domestic violence case. The court, without considering all these aspects, has granted the maintenance. Considering the same, there shall be stay of all further proceedings pursuant to so and so on the condition that the husband shall pay an amount of rupees 5,000 by 5th of every succeeding month, and at 5,000 arrears comes to 1,75,000 for 35 months.